children. Today let us learn about heavy and light. Okay. See, today I am going to show with the examples. So this balloon looks very big, right? And this stone looks small in front of this balloon, right? But the balloon is light in weight. The stone is very heavy. Okay. See here, this is very heavy and the balloon is light. See here. This is light. The balloon is light and the stone is heavy. Okay, children. So when it is heavy, it goes. See, this is heavy, no? So we can wave like this. If it is heavy, it goes down. This is light, so it comes up. Wavelength we can see, right? This is light. This is heavy. But this looks big. This looks small in front of this balloon. Okay? Next is, this is a two glasses. Okay? One, it is filled with water. One is empty. So it is very light. This is heavy. Okay? See here. This is heavy because it is filled with water. And this is empty. So this is light and this is heavy. Okay? Next. Both are pens. Okay, children? But this is heavy. This pen is heavy. This is light. Comparing to this pen, this is light in weight. Okay? Next one is this is banana and this is chili. So the banana is heavy and this is chili. This is light in weight. Okay? This is weight. Banana is more than weight. Okay? So this chili is light in weight. Stop and go. Next is, this is cotton and this is onion. So this cotton looks very big, right? This looks very much. But the onion is more weight than this cotton. You can see here, right? But cotton is very light. The onion is very weight comparing to this cotton. But this looks very much, right? Big one, cotton. Okay. Here we can see two balls. This ball is big in size. This ball is small in size. But this ball is heavy comparing to this big ball. Okay, children? This is light in weight ball and this is heavy. Okay, children? So this was all about heavy and light. Thank you, children.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new concept, that is heavy and light. Children, you know the objects that have more weights are called as heavy objects and the objects that have less weights are called as light objects. So children, here we have some objects and now let us check which object is heavy and which object is light. Now first object is, this is a stone. This stone is heavy, we can't lift up easily. Now you can see here, this is a cotton. This cotton is light. So heavy, light, heavy, light. Very good. Now let us see next object. Children, you can see here this plastic container is filled with sugar. So it is heavy. We can't lift up easily. So it is heavy. Now this plastic container is empty. So it is light. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Very good. Now let us see next object. Now children, see here, this is a book, right? This book is heavy. We can't hold it easily. Now tell me, what is this? This is a newspaper, and this newspaper is lighter in weight. So it is light, heavy, light, heavy, light. Very good. Now let us see next object. Now tell me children, what is this? Very good. This is a coconut, and coconut is heavy. Now children, tell me what is this? This is a lemon, and what the color of lemon? Yellow. So lemon is light, heavy, light, heavy, light. Very good. Now children, tell me what is this? This is a bottle, right? And this bottle is filled with water. We can't lift it easily, so it is heavy. And this glass is empty, so it is light, heavy, light, heavy, light. Very good. Now children, tell me what is this? This is a weighing scale or balance scale. This equipment is used to weigh different objects. Okay. Now let us check some objects which is heavy and light with the help of this scale. Okay. Now here I have tomato and chili. I'll put tomato in this bowl and chili in another bowl. Now let us see which is heavy and which is light. Now children, as you can see here, the tomato bowl is going downwards and the chili bowl is going upwards. So tomato is heavier and chili is lighter in weight. Now children, let us see next object. Here I have key and pen. Okay, I'll keep key in this bowl and pen in another bowl. Now let us see which is heavy and which is light. Yes, children, now tell me which is heavy and which is light. Yes, the key is heavier and pen is lighter in weight. The key bowl is going down, right? The pen bowl is going upward. So key is heavier, pen is lighter in weight. Now children, let us see next object. Here I have toothbrush and toothpaste. I'll keep toothpaste here and I'll keep toothbrush in this bowl. Now let us check which is heavy and which is light. Now children, as you can see here, this bowl is going downwards, right? And this bowl is going upward. So toothpaste is heavy and brush is light. So children, what did we learn today? Yes, we need more strength and energy to lift heavy things and less energy and strength to lift light things. So children, I hope you are all understood and enjoyed this activity. Thank you.